People buy from people. People don't want to buy from businesses, they want to buy from people. So the more you connect your heart to your soulmate client's heart, the better. So the more you do something with passion, you do something with love, and you do something with a deep desire to help people, the better results you're going to make. Remember that you can also do your business differently. This is something I believe so deeply, and your intuition will guide you with this. We are in a new paradigm. You can do things differently. You can run a business where you're taking time with self-care, you're listening to your intuition, you're helping people, you're making a difference, you're doing things from a soul purpose place, from a soul purpose mission, and you can still have all the success you want. You can still have unlimited abundance, and you can still make as much money as you want and desire. Social media marketing should fit around your life, and you should love every piece of content you make. And when you do it from a place of love and feeling aligned, it's almost impossible to burn out. I believe we only burn out when we're not doing too much, but when we're actually doing too much of the things that we dislike. So even if we're working, and I don't believe in this, but even if we're working 80 hours a week, if you're truly aligned and truly in love with it, you probably won't burn out. I wouldn't recommend that to anybody, because I actually believe that everybody needs sleep. But what I really do believe is you need to just look after your self-care. Remember, we are in a new paradigm. You can rest and you can do social media only that you love. I also believe in celebrating your wins. We don't celebrate ourselves enough. We really should. And I also believe from a heart-centered place, you should invest in yourself. Your self-care is an investment in yourself, and it's an investment in your business. Never feel that it's taking you away from more important work, and particularly if you have a business in the wellness world, you need to practice what you preach. Invest in your training, invest in your education. No one can ever take that away from you. That is all within you. Investing in yourself is one of the deepest forms of love that there is.